If you need to request a refund from Discord for payment, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check the refund policy. Review Discord's refund policy on their website to confirm if your purchase is eligible for a refund. Generally, subscriptions and in-game purchases have specific guidelines. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant details about your transaction, including your Discord account information, the date of purchase, the amount charged, and any receipts or confirmation emails. Step 3. Visit the Discord support page. Go to the Discord support page and navigate to the section for billing issues. Look for the option to submit a request for a refund. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Fill out the refund request form with the gathered information. Be clear and concise in explaining why you are requesting the refund and ensure that all required fields are completed. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a response from Discord support. They will inform you of the status of your refund request and any further actions needed. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to resolving your refund request. Remember to keep an eye on your email for updates from Discord.